Alright, in this video, immediately after you register on BIMS application software, or immediately after you have installed BIMS application on your phone device or on your laptop or computer devices, the next thing you will have to do is to take inventory and add available stock into the software, and that will be your opening stock that you start with. I am not talking about newly purchased products. After you have inputted the available stock, the new purchase that now comes later, you can now be adding those ones through add purchase. But this time I'm talking about the available stock you have on ground in your store when you started to use BIMS application. So this is how to add the available stock as your opening stock. Method 1. The first thing you have to do in this method 1 is that just navigate to add product. You can see product right here. So on this product, click on add products. This is if you want to add it directly into the BIM software without using Excel application at all. So immediately you are on this page. Once you click on add products, fill in your product name. Please listen carefully. Fill in your product name. Scan your barcode number here, your product barcode number here. You can see unit as pieces, that's individually, pieces right here, that's individually. Then the next thing, your business location. If you have more than one business location, choose your business location where you are adding the products to. And if you're adding it to the two, pick the two business location. You can see I can pick first, I can pick the second location if the product will be available in the two location, as you can see it. Another thing you have to do now is to input the alert quantity. Alert quantity simply means, look at it, get alert when a product stock reach or goes below the specific quantity. So this particular product I'm adding right now, if I put 2 or 3, if I put 3 here now, which means whenever this product reach 3 quantity, the system will alert me that okay, I've reached the other level. I have to go and buy more from the supplier. I have to order more from the supplier. That's what it means. So this is where you set it. So if you have product image on your system, you can download any of your product image, then you pick it from the system right here by clicking on this browser button to pick the picture of the product on your system. Make sure manage stock is checked like this. It is always checked, but make sure you don't uncheck it. Do not uncheck it, because if you uncheck it, it means you are selling services and it's product that we are dealing with right here. So you can see enable or disable stock management for a product. So for product, let it be checked. For services, if you render services, then uncheck it. In this product description, if you have the time, for pharmacy owners, you can put your drug prescription right here, but for other businesses you can just leave it blank. Then just scroll down. So in the downside here, you are going to put your purchase price, you put your default selling price, and once you put these two, next thing you have to do now is to click on save and add opening stock. Don't forget, we are adding opening stock, we are adding available stock newly, the available stock we have. So you click on save and add opening stock. Immediately you click on this, it will take you to where you are going to input your quantity and your expiry dates. So I have just filled all the information. Then I'll click on save and add opening stock so that you can see it. You can see immediately I click save and add as opening stock. It's not telling me now to input the quantity remaining right now. So for this particular location, if I'm to put, for available this thing, I can put like 50. We have 50 of these products. For the other location, I can put like 40 if we have 40 of these products. Then the expiry dates, you can see the expiry date right here. So I can put the expiry dates as this. Maybe to expire, I'll click on the year. It will expire by 2030, December 30. You can see it right there. then lot number. Lot number is the same thing as batch number, so I can see this is batch A. So I can do the same for this aspect as well. Then I'll click on save. That is if they have a product, if it is a product that used to expire. But if it's not a product that used to expire, you can just leave it blank, then click on save. So one by one like that, you add your available stock. But if you say you should be doing it one by one like that, it could take your time. Another way you can do it, the second method you can do it, is by navigating to this POS screen right here, the POS button right here. That is if you are the admin or you have a permission. So you click on the plus button right here, fill in your products just like I explained the other time. You can see the way I fill it. I fill the product name, the unit which is pieces, then I fill the category, then I fill the business location, then I fill the alert quantity when it remains 2. When it remains, this is the reorder level. Then I scroll down, then under I fill the purchase price and the selling price right there. Then below it we have the quantity instantly. I put the quantity for this location, I put the quantity for this for the other location. Then I click on save. Immediately I click on this place is faster than that first method. Because we are not selling, I will just close it. We are adding available stock or we are adding opening stock, so I will just remove it. It has already saved. So if I search for that particular product now, as if I want to sell it, you see that the system will bring it. You can see this is the product we just added. It's already in the system. Can you see it's right there? So this is another way. Also, you can be clicking on this plus button and be adding those products, those available products like that. This is another fastest way of adding it into the software directly. Now let me go back so that I can show you the third method of doing it. So the third way or the third method of adding your available or opening stock to the system is by navigating to purchase. Then under purchase you are going to see add purchase right here. So it's just as if you are adding purchases. So but in this time around, this one is your opening stock, but I don't recommend this side. This one I recommend it when you are adding newly purchased items. But for your opening stock or available stock when you are starting afresh, I don't recommend this, except you have not been operating before. If you are just opening the place newly, if you are just opening the business newly, and you can use this site to track everything that you purchase from the market and add it as if you are adding new purchase, it's fine. But if you have already been running your business before and you want to, or you have been using one software before and you want to switch to BIMS, I recommend that you can use the first method or the second method. But the best one is by adding it in bulk, in which I will be explaining that will be the fourth method, method 4. This method 3 I've already explained that how to add your purchase. You can go and check the video, so I'm not going to talk about this adding purchase, new purchase, because there's a video that is dedicated for that on our YouTube channel already. But method 4, which is the fastest way, is by adding it in bulk. You can just type everything on Excel file and upload it straight into the software. It will make it that one faster in case your product have much and you want to quickly achieve that. So how to do that is that just navigate to product. Right on your product right here, you're going to see import products. Can you see import product? You can make use of this import opening stock as well, but I recommend you using this import product because it is it is very complete to make your work faster. So the first thing you have to do once you are on this import product right here is to download this template. Download this template file. Once you download it, it's an Excel file. It will download for you. Then all the headings that you're going to see on that Excel file that you downloaded is the column name. These are the headings of that Excel file. So you can come here and see and read the one that are optional, the one that are required. The one that are required, it means you must fill it. The ones that are optional, it means you can do without it, you can omit it. Those ones are optional, but you can see product name is required, unique unit, which is pieces, is required. Then category is optional. All those optional, you can omit it. And the one that are required, manage stock, it is required, which means 1 it is yes, Yes, you are managing it. Then alert quantity, optional, but it is, you can also fill this alert one. That is, this one is when it remains 2, that's the reorder level. When it remains 2, the system should notify you. When it remains 3, if you put 3 there, the system will notify you once it reaches 3. That's the meaning. Then so you can just go through these headings, then fill all the appropriate information in the Excel file, type all your products, everything you have in the store, type everything inside the Excel. Once you type it, you fill all the information, then you follow this the instruction right here. So the next thing you have to do now is to now click on, you save the file. After you finish typing it, you save the file. All the quantity would have been there. The quantity right here is the opening stock. Don't forget you're adding opening stock. You can see opening stock right there. This is the quantity. So you can put the quantity right there. If you can put it at 0, but this is where the quantity, this opening stock means quantity in this software. So that is that. Then the purchase price and selling price as well, you can also, you will also see that in the list, the purchase price and the selling price. You can see this is the selling price, this is selling price. Okay, sorry, that's tax type. There is selling price there, there is purchase price there. Just go through it. I don't want this video to be too long. So you fill the purchase price, you fill the selling price, you fill the quantity, the product name, then the school, which is the scanner number. You scan it there. Once you are done with all those things on the Excel file that you downloaded, then you now navigate, you save it. Once you save it, you now navigate to this place, this file to import. Then you click on this button, choose file. It will take you straight to the system. You can see it. So let's say this is what the file that you just filled all your products. You just pick it. Once you pick it, you click on open. But I'm not going to be doing it. You immediately click on open, it will upload to the software. It will be showing you right here that it has uploaded. Then you now click on submit. Once you click on submit, it means all your products you have uploaded it in bulk without doing it one after the other. Do you get the point? So that is that. Then the fifth method of adding your available stock after installation or after registering with BIMS software is, so it is through this import opening stock. So you can see in the import opening stock, you're going to see school. School means that's the scanner number. SKU, that's the scanner number, the barcode number. That's what I mean by scanner number, the barcode number on your product. You scan it here, you download the file template, the Excel file template. You scan all your products on the column 1, then on the column 2 you fill the location, your business location. If you leave it blank, it will pick the first location that you have. You can leave it blank if it's only one location that you have. Then the quantity, you put the quantity for that particular product. Then you put the purchase price for that particular product. You put the batch number, which is the lot number, maybe batch A, batch C, like that. For that, then the expiry date. Then you click on, you save your file. Once you save your file, you click on this choose file, then you upload it. So but the only thing is just that particular thing, that if you use this method, you won't be able to put selling price. So to now update the selling price, it's only cost price that you'll be able to put here, and you won't be able to even put the product name. So to put the product name, to update the product name, if you use this method 5, to upload the product name and the and the selling price, so you need to navigate to this update price right there. So after you have uploaded it, you choose your file, you pick the Excel file on your system, you click open right here, then you now click submit. After you have uploaded all those things that you fill in the Excel file, now the next thing is to now update the selling price and the product name. So you now navigate to this update price right here. On the update price, you now click export product prices. So this export product prices, there will be a space for scan a barcode number that you just uploaded through that method 5. There will be a space for product name, whereby you can now fill inside the Excel file. You can fill everything, and there will be a you can update the selling price there as well. You can read this instruction if you want to do that. You can read this instruction, then you save your file, then you click on choose file to upload, then you click on submit. So that's the method. But for me, I recommend method 1 to method 4 is okay. Method 1 to method 4. If you want to do it in bulk, you don't want to be adding it into the software one by one, just follow method 3 and 4. follow method 3 and 4 for bulk, for in bulk, so that you can just type everything at once, upload it to the software and start. But if you don't want to use Excel, application at all, you want to use the software directly, use method 1 and 2 that I talk about. Use method 1 and 2. So that is how to add available available stock or opening stock into the software immediately after you finish your installation, or immediately after you register with BIMS and you want to start inputting your product. So that's how to do it. So thank you, and see you in the next video.